You're a real estate agent that's struggling to make content, or it seems all the content that you are creating, your viewers are just not interested and it's not actually leading you to get any leads. Well, I recently been using ChatGPT to help me with all my content and creation, and a few things have happened. I started getting more people to reach out to me, so I've been generating more leads. My videos have been getting more engagement, and I've seen about a 52,000% increase in the efficiency of creating my content using ChatGPT and some of the other AI tools that are out there. So since I started using all these AI tools and especially ChatGPT, everything's been performing better, and my entire calendar is now full from people reaching out to me wanting me to buy and sell their home from using AI to design my video content marketing. It's been absolutely groundbreaking. I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can use ChatGPT to plan an entire year's worth of content. Hey everyone, what's going on? It's Russell Mortlock here with the Apex Group. And if you're a real estate agent that wants to learn exactly how to use artificial intelligence in order to get your videos to start getting more leads and getting better engagement, then you're going to want to check out my AI course that I've made. It's in the description there below. You're going to want to sign up because I show you everything I use in order to take my video marketing strategy and content marketing strategy to the next level. And the best part is it's costing me $40,000 less a year to produce. And I was able to produce 52,000% more content, becoming way more efficient, buying back my time. So if you want to learn exactly how I did that, you're going to want to sign up for that course because it was game changing for my business as a real estate agent. So let's dive into how you can create a year's worth of content from using ChatGPT. Okay, first and foremost, what you need to start out with is this is going to be the ChatGPT, and it doesn't matter if you have the 3.5 or the paid version 4. But what I always like to tell people when they're starting out is one of the very first things you need to do when setting up your ChatGPT effectively as a real estate agent is you need it to train it to understand your business. So right here, I prompted in order to ask me questions on what my business, customer, and target audience and my vision and goals are going to be. And now it makes all my content based off of that. So it asked me all these questions here for my business, customers, target audience, my vision and goal, and miscellaneous. And then I replied back to them just on what my customers was going to be. My customer persona is luxury real estate, targeting people looking to buy waterfront homes, luxury homes, and acreages. They typically are high income earners who are looking to relocate to our area and purchase a vacation home, or they live in the area and they want to scale up their current home. So now with training ChatGPT to understand my business, all the content that I'm now creating is in line with that buyer persona. So people know, and this is what I mean. I started getting more people to reach out directly to me because I thought, hey, I was creating content that was specific to my target audience and what people actually wanted. But since I've been using ChatGPT to make all my content, I've had more leads reach out to me specifically into what I'm looking to do, specifically in the target audience that I'm marketing to and who my clientele wants to be. And you can train this to whatever you want. If you like working with first-time home buyers, you can do first-time home buyers. If you like working with investors, then you can train it on investors. If you like working with homes that are under $1 million, because that's what the average sale price is in your market, and you get the most amount of sales between the 800 and 900 and under $1 million range, you can train ChatGPT on that, and then it'll make content targeted specifically to all those people. I can guarantee you one of the biggest struggles real estate agents actually see with their content generation is they think they come up with all these glorious ideas and have all this awesome content, and the people you're targeting do not give a shit about. I'm telling you right now, I made the same mistake for years thinking that my content was going to be home runs and so valuable when really it wasn't. And now that I got ChatGPT and artificial intelligence to do that for me, I'm finally actually getting more leads reach out to me and converting those to sales. So if you want to learn exactly how to do this, take your content marketing to the next level and how to train ChatGPT to help you achieve your goals, go to the description. It's all in my course and I outline it step by step so you can easily implement this today. But once you've done that, you're going to want to go down and create it. So then I just have my thread that's literally my business name that I stick and plug in every single thing that I create for my real estate business into this thread. Okay, so let's start off. So the first thing you want to do is how to prompt it correctly. So these prompts are also in my course on how you just easily plug and play these and copy and paste it and it spits it out. So I'm a real estate agent. I'm a content creator looking to come up with new ideas for my YouTube channel and Instagram account. You can plug in there if it's LinkedIn or Facebook, whatever you pretend to do. you can add there. But my primary is YouTube and Instagram. Can you help me generate a list of potential videos and post topics that would appear among my audience of luxury real estate? So if it's first-time homebuyers, you can put first-time homebuyers. Now let's prompt it to see what comes up. So secret to selling high-end properties, tips on the luxury market, the evolution of luxury real estate, how luxury homes have changed over the years. Edit that out where I cough. Okay, perfect. So now we came up with some YouTube video ideas, some Instagram post ideas. Now we're going to build off of this exactly how you can make your entire year's content plan. Okay, perfect. So now that it came up with these ideas for us, we're going to prompt it again. And here's where those prompts that I'm giving right now are all inside my course. So it's literally just copy and paste, and you can create a year's worth of content directly from copy and pasting. So from the list I just created, I'd like you to help me create a content schedule for YouTube and Instagram. Best chance of helping me go viral in specific to luxury real estate. Tell me my main targeted keywords in the prompt below. Please come up with clickbait style videos for YouTube and Instagram. So it's making stuff specifically on what will go viral and knowing what are the best hooks are going to be. Make me the first month's calendar, and the keyword is targeting luxury real estate. Prompt it again. So this is what you do it by month basis. You can make your whole entire year targeted to what that is, and you can make it seasonality. In the springtime, when most people are getting all their luxury listings ready to sell, you can make all your content targeting luxury listings for the 3 months leading up to that. So you really hit them by the springtime, you have all those leads captured. So perfect. Look at this here. It's just pumping out great stuff. So on Monday, you're going to put the secret inside Kelowna's most luxury mansion. So you can go find a property to show, a $5 million villa, 3 shocking amenities and luxury homes. Okay, perfect. So, and then I got my Instagram reels, a glimpse into the most futuristic home in Kelowna, a bathroom, luxury 5-star spa, Kelowna's most expensive home sold this week. So this is stuff that's really easy for you to do, and you potentially can just iterate on it. So that's where it's really good for the idea generation, where most people get stuck. They're like, they put their hands up. I don't know what to make. I don't know how to make any videos. I don't know how to do it. It's just all too overwhelming. I got nothing in there. So it gives you these ideas. And then if you don't like it, you can change it and make it into what specifically you would like, but it tells you where to start. I didn't feel like this was the content that it generated on it. I didn't actually like it. So now I'll give you an example of, okay, I didn't actually like what it came up with. I wanted them to focus more on waterfront properties and what it's like to buy luxury waterfront properties, because that's what the main luxury market is here in my market, Kelowna, BC. So yeah, I'll make sure I create clickbait style videos to enhance engagement. The hidden cost of luxury homes revealed. Waterfront property insurance. What nobody tells you. These are major things when buying waterfront properties. The insurance is probably the biggest thing that people don't realize, that, hey, if you want some sort of flood protection, it's going to be like $10,000 is how much it was for one of our clients to potentially get that in their insurance. The truth about waterfront property maintenance. 3 luxury home features that are great for resale value. You want to target people in a luxury market, tell them how they can get the best bang for their buck. Luxury home reliability, spotting red flags. Designing a waterfront home, avoid these mistakes. Maximize your investment in a luxury property. And then the secrets of negotiating multi-million-dollar home deals. So that's something that a savvy person would be really interested in. Hey, how are you going to save me the most money or get me the most money off if I'm going to use you as my real estate agent? And see, we got our whole entire month's plan here from week 1 to week 2 to week 3, week 4. And then if you just didn't like what it had to say, you can iterate on it. So now I know what everyone's going to say. I got the ideas, but I still can't write these scripts. It takes me forever. Well, once again, we're just going to give it a quick prompt on one of the video ideas that we like, evaluating waterfront properties. Don't overlook these 5 factors, and it's going to help me write a script that will engage my audience and provide valuable information. And here's the beauty of it. You can even pass this off to your video editor if you're getting someone to edit it for you. Okay, I need a panoramic scene of a waterfront property. So you can find that for B-roll. Here's our intro. Hello, welcome to our channel. This is Russell Mortlock's real estate channel. Today we're diving into the world of waterfront properties, and whether the dream home on the lakeside or coastal retreat of waterfront properties is your choice. The key factors you need to consider before making that move, like explore the top 5. So come in here, understanding your water rights and access, environmental regulations, insurance, property management, lifestyle, and resale value. And then it tells you everything that you need and what potentially is going to go in there and how to edit it in terms of B-roll. But I know what people are going to say once again. Hey, this is too generic. It's not specific to my market. Well, okay, perfect. Now just prompt it to make it more specific to what you're actually doing if you haven't trained your business. So as you can see now, I want more information on waterfront property in Kelowna. I told it to do that. Evaluating waterfront property in Kelowna, BC. don't overlook these 5 factors. And it's going to now make it all specific to Kelowna water rights regulation. So now look at, you got a whole bunch of stuff really specific to Kelowna lifestyle and property resale, unlock the waterfront properties in Kelowna, insurance and flood risks in Kelowna, environmental considerations in Kelowna. It's all specific to your market and exactly what you need if you're going to be targeting waterfront luxury buyers and sellers. And here's the crazy part. Like, I know this stuff works so well. As for me, what I did on that 52,000% increase in the amount of content, in 3 weeks time, I was able to make my entire year's worth of content that I normally did the year before 3 times over. So it used to take me an entire week to plan just this YouTube script on researching what to need to say, how to come up with it. I'm now able to do that in less than 5 minutes, even shorter now that I have all this stuff developed, and I just go and move on. So that's what I mean, that ChatGPT and these AI tools are going to be game changing in terms of efficiency. Imagine if all of a sudden you're working 20 hours a week less and making more money from using artificial intelligence. How much would your family like that? How much would your partner, your boyfriend or girlfriend enjoy to be able to spend more time with you? We work so hard as real estate agents, and people don't really understand the sacrifices that we make for our families in order to achieve our goals. And that's where artificial intelligence and using things like ChatGPT is going to solve all those problems so we can get our lives back. And like I said, I've cut $40,000 worth of content generation expenses and video editing expenses from using artificial intelligence, and my content's working better now because I've trained it for that buyer persona. So if you're someone that wants to learn exactly how I did that, go to the description and sign up for my AI course for real estate agents. I show you everything step by step so you can implement and start seeing the same benefits that I have.